When searching through this site, there's multiple things that stick out that make it a reliable source. For starters, the URL is a .gov, which means it's owned by the government, and in this case it's Indiana. And on the left over here you have about the agency, contact information, places to request public records, newsletters. They have news that's posted often, and the latest was posted on April 2nd. And if you scroll down to the bottom, it says that it was copyrighted in 2018 to the state of Indiana, which shows that it's been modified this year. And down here you can see that there's a phone number and different places to receive help. And the website is relevant to the Indiana State Department of Health, and it's very relevant to different health divisions, like they have the Drug Overdose Prevention, Epidemiology Resource Centers, Health and Human Services, Long-Term Care, Public Health Performance Management, Healthy Hoosiers. All of these are clickable links. We'll go to the Healthy Hoosier Foundations, for instance, and it gives you a brief overview of what the Healthy Hoosier Foundation is. It concentrates on reducing infant mortality, increases childhood immunizations, reduces obesity, and reduces smoking rates. And if you scroll down, they have the board of directors that are part of it, and other online services. So overall, when looking through this website, you can tell that it is used as an educational-based website that is provided by the government, and it's very reliable.